You put 30-foot of snake in there? With the big head, with the big fish. Oh, wow.
This one is the same size.
Yeah.
This is
To turn it, to rotate it.
all time.
Okay, so the pipe under the ground, he was able to get it unclogged to the main stack.
Yes, look, the water now is flowing.
The water's flowing now.
So we need to put here.
So we got
I recommend it. Put a one clean up here.
I'll put a clean up there. Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
For
For
next
easy
time.
access.
Yes, for next time
Yeah.
maybe if need clean,
Yeah,
put one here.
right.
And the other is put the floor drain
A floor drain right here
for the heaters.
for the water heaters.
Yep.
Yeah. Well, since it's already open, it's easy to put a floor drain now.
Now it's open. Now it's open. I put close to here.
Yeah, now it's open.
Yep.
Okay. So a lot of this dirt we're gonna take away for trash now, right? Concrete, dirt,
I think put
not
the
everything.
extra.
Yeah. Yeah, the extra we gotta take out.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Wow. Yeah, his job turned into a much bigger job. This is one of the pipes that was cut out, corroded and rusted. So we got the lights in here, in this back room, putting some lights in here. We got 2 lights right here in this room here by the water heater. 1 light over here. And put some lights in back in this room as well. The joists, we replaced some of the joists here. All 3 of them got replaced. And there's 2 more that are bad, right?
1 more.
That one in the corner? This one's bad? Oh, this crack right in the middle. Gotcha. Okay. All right. And then this one in the corner here is bad too.
That's
It's tucked in?
that's good. That's good.
Okay. How many lights you put in here? 2 lights?
2.
2 lights in here. And you got the mold, the kills. Yeah, the thing is, it's this main stack, which is catching all the apartment 1 and apartment 2's waste in the kitchen is coming down here. And then it goes behind this wall, and then it drops. It drops, goes straight down, but almost like 6 feet. So this drain here, they're all connected underground. Everything's connected underground, and it's going all the way under there. So he was able to basically cut the pipe here, dig down, and then snake it from here all the way to the other side where the main drop is on that side under the ground. So about 35 foot, approximately maybe 40, and it got it to be all clogged. But the problem is the people upstairs are still using the kitchen and laundry and stuff like that. So every time they do that, this thing gets flooded. The water comes in and gets flooded. So I have to use a pump to pump the water out each time because the water was coming in here and overflowing. Yeah, so Brickfront Properties and Construction, man. We've been at this for a while. And, you know, we do electrical, we do plumbing, we do HVAC work. We got master plumbers to do work on gas, apartment buildings, residential. And I've been teaching real estate for almost 20 years in the DMV area. How to buy properties, how to fix and flip them. And we also buy. We buy on a regular basis. We don't buy all the deals, but we do buy the right deals that make sense. And we do have a call center in Nicaragua. And we do make thousands of phone calls every single month on a consistent, regular basis to generate our leads. So we got a pretty good process. All right, so if you guys need us for anything, give us a call. You can look at on the website where Google Brickfront Properties and Construction. You can see a lot of stuff about us and who we are, what we've been doing for years. All right, thank you, Sid Hamid. Talk to you soon.